And guys, here we are in Atrani, the town of Atrani. We are just next to the town of Amalfi. This town, guys, it's amazing. Now we will go inside. I will show you this beautiful town that it's also UNESCO site. It's so beautiful, guys. When you arrive by car, you are coming from this street, and then you have the town of Atrani on your right. It's amazing, guys. Here it's the beach, and as you can see, the sea it's quite calm, so you can come here also and enjoy the nice swimming in Costiera Amalfitana, and you will really love it, guys. So now let's go inside the town of Atrani and discover this amazing town of Costiera Amalfitana. So we will enter from this door here in the center of Atrani. We will walk inside this beautiful and narrow and typical streets of Atrani. So nice, and I hope you will enjoy. Andiamo amici. Look where they build the houses, guys, just below the street. And here the town of Amalfi and the main square. Wow, bellissimo. Wow, let's go inside these streets. Here it's called Via Case Vecchie. So here you see there are no cars around. There are a few points where you can arrive by car, and all the rest it's by walking and by stairs. In Amalfi, Ravello, Atrani. And here you understand the town of Atrani, how it is. Here the beach and the sea, and up here all the houses. It looks small, but inside it's full of narrow streets and small houses where you can go. And here you see there is also the way to Amalfi. It's 15 minutes, and Santuario Santa Maria 25 minutes. Wow. Here you have an hotel, 4 stars hotel, Palazzo Ferraioli. So guys, this is to give you an idea of Atrani, this beautiful town of Costiera Amalfitana. It's so beautiful here, guys, to come and to walk in this narrow, small, typical streets. They are so nice and calm and peaceful. Look here. Wow. It's a total labyrinth where you will be when you are in Atrani. So let's go from here and see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Atrani, how it is, this beautiful town of Costiera Amalfitana, his houses, the stairs that you will find when you are here in Costiera. And I really suggest you to come and have a walk in these narrow, beautiful streets of Atrani. Ciao ciao.